Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Facebook Business Manager access for ad account setup, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Facebook account. Navigate to the Facebook Business Manager dashboard. Click on the Business Settings option located in the left sidebar. In the Business Settings menu, find the People and Assets section. Select ad accounts from the list. Look at the ad accounts associated with your business manager. Check for the ad account you wish to verify. If you see the ad account listed, confirm that your name appears under the Assigned People section. If your name is not listed, you will need to request access. To request access, click the Add button and then select Request Access to Ad Account. Input the ad account ID you wish to access and specify the level of access required. Click Next to proceed and fill out the necessary details. Once your request is complete, submit it for approval. Wait for the ad account owner to review your request. Once approved, you will receive a notification. Return to the Ad Accounts section in Business Settings. Verify that your name now appears under the assigned users for the ad account. You can now proceed to set up your ad account. If you encounter issues, consult the Help Center for troubleshooting. Make sure to keep your access info secure and up to date. This process ensures proper access management for your advertising needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.